2 days after his Purulia visit, Prime Minister Modi is all set to storm Mamta's turf once again. He's scheduled to address a rally in Kharagpur at about 11 a.m. and he tweeted about his visit. He said his focus is going to be on elaborating BJP's developmental agenda for Bengal. Ahead of his visit, the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee took on Prime Minister Modi while addressing a rally in Purulia yesterday. She accused the Prime Minister of stealing her Poribortan slogan, calling him a copycat. Now with Prime Minister returning to battleground Bengal, it is going to be interesting to see whether Didi's remarks are going to be countered with Poribortan roars yet again.
अब ये तय हो गया है 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे আসল পরিবর্তন আছে
পরিবর্তন তো মমতা ব্যানার্জির স্লোগান তুমি মমতা ব্যানার্জিকে টুকলি করছো কেন নিজের কিছু বিদ্যা বুদ্ধি আছে তো দাও বাবা কিছু ব্রেন থেকে বের করো আমরা তো পরিবর্তন তোমাদের করব নেক্সট দিল্লিতে বাংলায় জিতলেই দিল্লি ঝাঁপাবো এবং বিজেপিকে কাঁপাবো তাই ওদের এত রাগ আমার উপর মনে রাখবেন ওরা দেখছে বাংলায় জিতে গেলেই মমতা আমাদের খুব বিপদ খেলা হবে চাই না বিজেপিকে বিদায় দাও
ये खेल खत्म होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए दीदी ये आवाज सुनिए ये शंखनाद सुनिए अब हर तरफ से एक ही आवाज है टीएमसी का खेला शेष टीएमसी का खेला शेष खेला खत्म अब ये तय हो गया है 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी जाच्छे 2 मई दीदी যাচ্ছে আসল পরিবর্তন আছে
কোনো মায়া নেই এদের কোনো দয়া নেই এদের এরা হচ্ছে স্বৈরাচারী দুরাচারী রাবণের দল এরা শুধু গিলতে এসছে দুর্নীতি করতে এসছে
Prema Rajaram reporting from Kolkata is now joining us live for the very latest. Prema, walk our viewers. It is the entire brigade of BJP going on to counter Mamta Banerjee as TMC and BJP goes ahead and fights it out this election. The battle for Bengal intensifying right there. What is the BJP's game plan today? What's on the agenda of the Prime Minister?
As far as the BJP is concerned, this is Prime Minister Modi's third visit to Bengal, and he had a rally about 3 days back, and this time around he's going to be focusing on the development agenda and the Parivartan agenda. This is what is on the BJP's cards because that is what they have been saying in their rallies, whether it's Prime Minister Modi or other senior BJP leaders who have been talking about how the state has deteriorated when it comes to development in the last 10 years under the TMC leadership. But Mamta Banerjee is not leaving any stone unturned because she is campaigning on a wheelchair across West Bengal, despite the fact that she has an injury on her left ankle. But it is her way of reaching out to the people and saying that nothing can stop her from connecting with the people. And of course, it is a fierce battle because this is election season and she's contesting from Nandigram this time and opposite Shubhendu Adhikari. So the BJP are stepping up their ante against the TMC and they're going to be releasing their manifesto on Sunday. That is what is expected. So ahead of that, Prime Minister Modi here in West Bengal sending a strong message that it is the BJP that can take Bengal on the path of development in the coming years. Back to you, Chaiti.
All right, Prema, thanks for joining us with those details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.